Well, while we've got spring-like temperatures here in the valley, how about if you want some cold, head up to Des Moines, Iowa. In fact, most of the upper Midwest is in the deep freeze right now. 10 degrees, a live look at Des Moines this midday. That's where the cold air is. In fact, quite a bit of snow occurring across Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois, Michigan this midday as well. So that's where it's all bottled up at, but some of it's going to be heading southward. Some cooler air is on the way. But in the meantime, we'll have those south winds continue for us this afternoon, and that's going to help to, again, usher in some of that more humidity across the area, and we're really going to notice that overnight tonight and tomorrow. But with the light winds and plenty of sunshine, those temperatures are going to warm up nicely as well. We'll see those numbers back up in the lower, even some middle 80s possible in the upper valley before we start to see things drop off a little bit overnight tonight. But temperatures by tomorrow morning will be quite a bit warmer than we saw this morning. Already starting to see some of those clouds making their way in by 9 o'clock this evening, more indicative of the humidity. And that fog is going to be an issue again for tonight, tomorrow morning. Highs today, 81 Brownsville, 83 out at Roma, mid-70s there along the coast. Our valley average high now is at 71. South-southwest winds today at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. So we've got the dew points on the way up. So we're out of the 20s and teens that we saw a few days ago, back into the 40s and 50s from the mid-valley heading westward. But 60-degree dew points, that deeper tropical moisture, call it tropicals, that's what it would be for this time of year to have these high dew points making their way in. They're going to be taking over tonight. Notice that green going all the way out into the upper valley. And with the light winds, that's why we do have a shot at even more significant fog for tomorrow across the area. One of our computer models brings it in mainly from, say, Harlingen or so, north and west, but really anywhere across the valley could see some of that very dense fog by tomorrow morning. And it's liable to stick around for a little while as well. This morning, our dense fog was around for northern Hidalgo County until about 9 o'clock in the morning. So just be aware of that as your travel plans take you around the valley and points north tomorrow. Lows tonight down in the mid and upper 50s to near 60 degrees, some low to mid 60s as you head out towards the coastal areas with that calm breeze out there, or lack of. Out on the island today, near 75 degrees. UV index is moderate. Rip current risk is low. Surf running 1 to 2 feet and 65 degrees. And if you've got some allergen problems out there, it's probably the mountain cedar, although now it's coming down a little bit, still in the medium category. And that is the problem child for this time of year. So the front will start making its way through late Thursday into Friday. That's the first of two fronts, and that will bring in the cooler air for a brief period of time. Then we're going to see that warm air return for Saturday and Sunday back up into the 80s. And then that next front will come through during the day on late Sunday into early Monday, and that will bring us some even cooler air and chance of showers with both fronts as they come through. That'll be for Friday and then Sunday, Monday, into Tuesday. There is your 7-day forecast then showing that roller coaster of temperatures there. 82 today, 80 tomorrow. Remember, we should be at 71 and we should be at 49 in the morning. So going the opposite direction now. And that brief cool down for Friday, then we'll warm things up. Nice weekend, and then back into the 60s, but no super cold air on the horizon, at least for the next 7 to 10 days. So